In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hover effect in Wix Studio. If you're ready to take your website's interactivity to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and work on making your site even more engaging and visually appealing. First, you'll need to open your Wix Studio editor. Head over to studio.wix.com and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, open your Wix Studio editor by selecting the project or page where you'd like to add this hover effect. Taking a moment to carefully choose the project ensures you apply the hover effect exactly where you want. Now, with your editor open, it's time to select the element to which you want to apply the hover effect. This could be any type of element: buttons, images, boxes, or containers, text, or even icons. Click directly on the element to select it. Once it's highlighted, take a look over at the right-hand properties panel. This panel provides key insights and options tailored specifically to your selected element. Next, we need to open the Interactions panel, a crucial step in adding effects. In the right sidebar of your editor, find and click on Interactions. Here, you'll see a variety of possible triggers. For our task today, go ahead and choose Hover. While there are options for click, scroll, or load effects, hover is our focus for this tutorial. With the trigger set, you can get creative with the type of hover effect you want to implement. There are several actions to choose from. An opacity change gives a fade in or out look, scale enables zooming in or out, move allows for slight sliding, color change alters background or text color, and shadow or glow adds a touch of depth and focus. You're spoiled for choice in customizing your element's interaction. To really bring your design to life, click on Add Interaction followed by Hover. From here, select the effect type you're interested in, say Scale. You can then fine-tune your effect by adjusting the duration, delay, and easing options, like Ease In Out, to suit your creative vision. Once you've set everything up, it's time to preview your hover effect to see it in action. Click on Preview, located at the top right of your screen, and hover over the element. This is your chance to evaluate if your effect matches your expectations. If it needs fine-tuning, simply return to the editor and tweak the speed, direction, or design until it's just right. Once you're completely satisfied with the effect, save your hard work by clicking Save and then make it live by selecting Publish. Your newly added hover effect is now visible on your live Wix Studio site for all to enjoy. Congratulations on enhancing your site's user experience.